Ever wondered how to find a missing piece of a puzzle, even when it's hidden in plain sight? Today, we're diving into a classic geometry challenge, finding the value of z in a right triangle. By the end, you'll not only solve this specific problem, but also master the fundamental principles of right triangles and coordinate geometry. Here's our triangle, with its right angle clearly marked. We're given two sides, and our goal is to find the length of the third side, z. The key to unlocking this puzzle lies in the Pythagorean theorem. Think of it like this. The area of the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the areas of the squares on the other two sides. This translates to the equation a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now let's plug in our numbers. We have side a as 3 inside, b as 7. So 3 squared plus 7 squared equals z squared. Calculating the squares, we get 9 plus 49 equals z squared. Adding those up, 58 equals z squared. To find z, we take the square root of both sides. And there you have it. The value of z is the square root of 58. This problem might seem simple at first glance, but it's a great reminder of the power of the Pythagorean theorem. It's a fundamental principle that can help us solve all sorts of geometric puzzles. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning.